Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TCL device to TCL Tab 10s. Firstly, you need to access Play Store on both devices, tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. From this screen here, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on TCL smartphone. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now I need to rotate my tablet real quick. And after that, I need to choose Receive on TCL Tab 10s and Send on this TCL smartphone. Now you need to tap on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you will select all of your files and then transfer them. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go with only this one photo, choose Send and tap on Got it. Over here, as you can see, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by using this scanning icon on TCL tablet, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at this QR code. But we can also input this key over here and then tap on Receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!